So today we're going to be doing series sequence problems, and in this chapter we're going to be learning how to find the series when all the numbers in a sequence are given, how to find all the numbers in a sequence when its sum is given. So the first example, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So you have to find the sum in the following number sequences. So what we're going to be doing is creating different series pairs. So what that means is finding a common sum that we can divide our expression into. And you might be thinking, what is the point of doing this when we can simply just add all the numbers one by one? Well, in real life problems, in real day problems, it's easier to find pairs and easier problems to work with, easier solutions. So what we're going to be doing is noticing that 1 and 5 make 6, and 2 and 4 also make 6. So we can do 2 times 6 and then add the 3 in the middle, and that's just going to be 15. Similarly, for B, we see that 2 and 10 and 8 and 4 add up to be 12. So instead of doing 10 plus 8, then plus 6, then 4, then 2, we simply just do 12 times 2, and then we see that the 6 is in the middle and add 6. That's going to be 30. And then same thing for C. We see that 9 and 11 are 20 and 7 and 3 are 10, which makes our life a lot easier. See that this is 20, this is 10, and then we just add the 5 at the end. So that's just going to be 20 plus 10 plus 5, which is 35. Then for D, we see that 11, 14, 25, and 2 and 8 are 10, and then we have the 5 in the middle. So that's going to be 25 plus 10 plus 5, and that's 40. Let's go to our next problem. The sum of 5 consecutive numbers is 45. What are the 5 numbers? So 5 consecutive numbers, all that means is continuous. Like if one of the numbers is 1, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are consecutive numbers happening continuously. So the first step is simply to find the number in the middle. So all we're going to do for that is 45 divided by 5, and that's 9. So we know 9 is going to be our number in the middle, which is going to be our fifth. This is going to be our third number because that's in the middle. So we're going to put 9 here. To find the continuous number, all we're going to be doing is finding the surrounding numbers. So let's subtract 1, that's 8. Subtract another 1, that's 7. Add 1, that's 10. And add another 1, that's 11. And those are our consecutive numbers. Let's go to the last example. So the sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 40. Find the 4 numbers. So for 4 consecutive odd numbers, we're going to be doing 4 different ones. So what we're going to be doing is that 40 divided by 4 is 10. And you might be noticing that 10 is not an odd number, that's an even. However, that's still really useful because that's going to be our surrounding numbers, which is going to be, so 10 is in the middle and we need 4. So the surrounding numbers would be 9 here, 11 here, and we're not going to be subtracting 1, we're going to be subtracting 2 because it's an odd number. 7, then add 2 here, that's 13.